So pretty.
What are you doing?
I want to make a video of this car.
Hell no, we're doing an unboxing. Guys, it's your boy Cielshock from Cielshock Mini4wd Racing Squad. I'm a teacher here in Noobworx.
And this is Geeshock.
And before we start our video, I want to say shout out to High Speed Matrixx Oil and High Speed Matrixx Power Cleaner. If you guys are interested with these two amazing products, I got the link in the description below.
And also shout out to Sir Michael Alojado.
Shout out Hellboy and Pinoy Mini4wd Racing Team Rome.
And today we're gonna talk about
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We already go through that. We're gonna talk about dual ridge.
Alright, by special request by racers, we're gonna talk about dual ridge VC chassis.
And the video is gonna start 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to unbox this dual ridge VZ chassis build. If you take a look at the box, you can see it's a Racing Mini4wd drive. It's a PDC Design Works up here. The body was designed by PDC Design Works. Very nice. It is a VZ chassis. There's the second one. And also if you look at here at the sides, you'll see the parts what's in here. And on the other side, you will see that it is made from Japan. Not made from the Philippines. Not made in the motherland. It's made in Japan. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's inside before I build this for my stock build. Alright, so let's start with the wheels. We got a small plastic plated. I don't know. We got a, no, it's not plastic plated. We got a metal plated, metallic silver plated small diameter wheels. 5-spoke, which is very good for pro stock. And also very good for tune class, basic tune class, and also for open class. So this is actually really good. You know, the only downside with this is a little bit heavier because it's plastic and it's plated. There you go. Next part would be the chassis. So you can see it's a regular ABS black. You can use it in any category you want. You can use it modified, tune class, high speed, whatever you want. This is a very lightweight chassis too, and you know there's a lot of holes for adaptability. All right, and here's your regular terminals inside the pack. You also have a 3-5-1 gear ratio, the light blue and yellow, and then the pink crown gears. Your grease, your polyoxymethylene low friction bushings right there, which is very good. You can use it also, it's really good for box stock, pro stock, that polyoxymethylene low friction bushing, because you don't have to upgrade your car. It come to happen that you have an eyelet bushing. You also have your stock motor, 130 stock motor, good for stock racing. You got your regular propeller shaft. You know, it's not hollow or whatever. Not too fancy. 60mm wheel shaft is also here. Steel. Nothing fancy, just your standard one. And also, you have your 8 parts, which is black. Also ABS plastic 8 parts. So if you want to go black on a build, this would be nice. Or maybe you'll go black and white. You mix match in it. If Tamiya will release a white one, so you can mix match it. But if you want to go black and black right now, you can go with the dual ridge VZ chassis, and you can go black on black with that, with this kit, and that will be nice color matching. You know, a lot of adaptability. And next would be the super hard tire. So this one is the one that I think is very valuable in this kit. because a lot of racers will be using this. This is good for box stock initially because it comes from the kit already, so it does have a super hard tire. And then basic tune class, you can upgrade your wheels to hard tires so you have lesser bounce. And also you can use this for regular tune class or even an open class car if you don't want to trim your tires. This is a good thing to have on this kit. Alright, this is small diameter hard tires. Alright, and next would be the body shell. The body shell is silver, gray, I think. This would be a good for FM conversion, I think. And also, some people like hard shells out there. They can trim this and use this as a body damper shell. But the people that like hard body shells for body damper racing, or you can even convert this to FM, as I've said, and do a hammer damper about this. So this one's really good. Nothing fancy, and it's also good because it's a junior version of the original RC version of this one. So that's your body shell. And last but not the least, obviously, the stickers. These are your aluminum foil stickers, reflective stickers. Very fancy. I love putting stickers, me personally, because if I don't use the stickers, where I'm gonna use it? There's no point, you know. Just enjoy it. There you go. And all in all, I would use this kit for box stock, pro stock, even cob stock in the Philippines. I would use it. And I can use this for basic tune class too. So this kit is really, really good. Alright, so let's go back to the studio. Alright, so we're back. I just finished unboxing it. So now you guys see all the parts and where you guys can use it. Let's see about this girl's opinion about this. Alright, so what do you think about this kit?
Well, for me, I like its body shell. Because for me, at first glance, it looks like very manly. You know, not your usual body shell type.
That's what she said. Very manly.
Very manly. Yeah, I like that.
I thought you get to say because it's unique. It's easily to convert to FM chassis because you know in the Philippines they convert it to FM body shell.
Yeah, there's another one, but it looks manly for me. And
okay.
What sells me the most is it has super hard tires. So as a pro stock racer, I like that one, and it also has a 3.5.1 or 351 year ratio.
It's good for box stock too.
Yeah, good for box stock.
So why you like the hard tires for pro stock? Like
hindi siya matalbog.
That's what she said. It doesn't bounce.
It doesn't bounce.
It doesn't course out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's why I like the super hard tires. And also because it's a VC chassis. So like the car that I just built, this one, I'm so proud.
Oh my God,
Drake. Yeah. So it has VC chassis, which is like similar to VS chassis. And it's like more user-friendly and more durable than the VS chassis. So
I would say it's more adaptable too because there's a lot of holes in there.
Mm-hmm.
For all the non-Filipino racers out there, when she said matalbog, that means it doesn't bounce.
Yeah, it doesn't
all right,
bounce.
like, with lost translation over there, but you know, just to let you know, if you guys are curious, what was that? Yeah, so
it doesn't bounce easily.
And also, she mentioned it was like a small diameter wheels. Like nowadays, they call it small diameter. That's what I say in YouTube too. Even the wheels, but it's actually medium because there's actually a smaller tire on this kit. Mm-hmm. So yeah, so all in all, I would use it for box stock myself, you know, and I can modify it too. So what do you think? You're gonna do that too?
Yep, I'm excited to build it again.
No, it's not gonna be yours. It's gonna be mine. Alright, so this is Cielshock from CTUSA Mini4wd Racing Squad. I'm a teacher here in Noobworx, and I'm with my lovely wife,
Geeshock.
As I always say, we learn from you, learn from us. Always race humble.
Peace.
Peace.